Hello students, welcome to Share Science classes. Today I will be talking about some RMO geometry problems. So let's start with this question. Let ABC be an acute angle triangle and CD be the altitude through C. If AV equals to 8 units and CD equals to 6 units, find the distance between the midpoints of AD and BC. So first we have ABC, which is an acute angle triangle. So this is our C, this is our A, and this is our B. Now CD is the altitude through C, so this is the altitude, hence this is a 90 degrees here, and this is D point, and AB is given as 8 units and CD is given as 6 units. So this is our CD, it's 6 units in length, and we will have to find the distance between the midpoints of AD and BC. So let's construct the midpoints. This is the midpoint of AD, so this shape is P. Then we have the midpoint of BC, so this is the midpoint somewhere here. So this will be, let's say, Q, and we will first join PQ in order to solve the problem. Okay, and another construction we have to do is to drop a perpendicular from here on AB. So we drop a perpendicular from Q on AB, so these two will be parallel since both of them are perpendicular on AB, and we will name it as R. Now coming to the question in hand, we have triangle BRQ and triangle BDC similar, since this is a 90 degree, this is a 90 degree, this is a 90 degree, this is a common angle, and hence this angle will also be similar. So these triangles are similar, so from similarity we get BQ by BC equals to QR by, this is an R, QR by CD, which is equals to BR by BD. So we know that BQ by BC equals to half. This is BQ by BC, since Q is the midpoint of BC, so this will be half. So half equals to QR by CD, which is equals to BR by BD. So we have QR equals to half of CD and BR equals to half of BD. So R is the midpoint of BD, and QR is the half in length of CD. So coming to the question, we have CD equals to 6 units in length. So from this relation we have BR equals to from this relation QR equals to half of CD. QR equals to half of CD, we have QR equals to half of CD, which is equals to half into 6, which is equals to 3 units, and from PR, this is the triangle we are talking about now. So PR equals to PD plus DR, as you can see from the diagram. This is a point, and we know that P is the midpoint of AD, because we have been told in question to construct the midpoint of AD. So, and we have named it P, so PD will be half of AD. This is PD, this is PD, and DR will be half of BD, since this is the relation we have got. So this will give us half of AD plus BD, which is equals to half of AB, and in question we have been given that AB equals to 8 units in length, so this will be half of 8 and this will be 4 units in length. So now what do we have? We have QR which is equals to 3 units in length, see this, and PR, this is PR, which is equals to 4 units in length. So basically what we have, PR we have which is 4 units in length, QR we have 3 units in length, so we can easily find PQ by Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem we have PQ, this is a right angle triangle, see this is 90-degree angle, so PQ square equals to PR square plus QR square, so 4 square plus 3 square equals to PQ square, hence PQ equals to 5 units in length. And in question we have been asked to find the distance between the midpoints of AD and BC. The midpoint of AD is P and the midpoint of BC is Q. So the answer will be 5 units. Thank you.